What's up guys, Ackeem still here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of my GoPro Hero 11 that I just got on Amazon. So basically come in this package. I did pull this box already because I'm curious to see what's inside. So basically I'm going to show you guys all the accessories that come inside. Is right here. So right here we have a SD card right here, SanDisk, and this is 128 gigabytes as you can see right here, which is really great. So I have a lot of storage. So inside the package we have something that can clean our lens right here, lens cleaner, come in this package. So we got an extra pack battery which also come in this package as well. So digital camera battery, digital power, really great. And now guys, we have the GoPro Hero 11 itself. Just gonna unbox it. Let's see. So I did pull the package already just because I'm curious. So basically come in this right here, so you guys can see GoPro Hero 11 looking great. Just gonna unbox it now from this right here. So basically come in this case right here, looking very neat guys, as you can see right here in the package. Just gonna unbox it so that you guys see what's inside. So inside, as you can see, we have the USB type C for the GoPro right here, which basically come inside. Also we have some mount right here. This is basically a sticky mount, which is really great. Also inside we have another battery pack right here, as you can see, which comes with the GoPro, as you can see right there. We have some more mount, as you can see right here. And then we have the attachment right here, screw, just to basically screw it up. Also guys, inside the package up here we got this template, and wow, we have another extra SanDisk right here, which is 64 gig, which is really great as well. We got these brochures can basically go through, which come inside, goes to the side. And here guys we have the GoPro itself, looking really neat, as you guys can see right here. GoPro, loving this right here. So I'm just gonna unbox it now. Wow, looking really neat guys. Just gonna unbox the camera right here. Okay guys, so once I've opened up the side right here, you can see the slot right here for the memory card. So I'm going to install my 128 gig. So we can open right here, so we can install our card right here inside now. We click inside now, we can install our battery inside as well. Should have clip. Now we can basically turn it on right here with the power. And now it's basically boot up right there guys, as you guys can see. Really great. And right here we can see that we have 3 hours of video in, if we are going to video from this 128 SD card right here, depending on the quality. So we have a lot of view right here, so we can see from the video settings. We have hyper view, we have super view right there. We also have wide angle, we have linear, and we have linear horizontal look, which is really great. So we can toggle between the mode. So you see the photo right here. Quality, also have field of view. We also have night mode as well, which is really great. As you can see right there, we have different things that we can choose from. So we have wide and linear for photo, which is really great. as you can see right there. I can put it on time lapse. So there are the 3 different features that we can use on this right here, which is basically lock. So I love that this basically has a front facing camera as well, which is really great if you're going out and doing those selfie. We have a built-in speaker that we can basically use to play back video. So later on, guys, I'm going to do some video tests of this to show you guys some more update of this right here and how this basically works. So for this video, this is just unboxing of this, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. And remember to stay tuned for a future update on this right here. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. The link for this also in the description box if you guys want to check it out. And see you guys in my next video. Peace out.